Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you this awesome little dessert. It's my lemon mascarpone mousse. Quite a simple dish, but a little technique involved. Alright, start off with a heat-proof bowl. We're going to add in 150 grams of caster sugar, just like that. And now I'm going to add in the rind of 2 large lemons. I just use a little microplane type deal just to take the rind off. Just make sure you get the rind and not the pith. The pith will actually make it bitter. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves, and that's because we want to rub that rind and caster sugar together. We want to release the oils out of the rind, and we want to make sure we get a nice, even, consistent type mixture. So when your sugar starts to turn yellow, we can add in around about 80 ml of lemon juice that we've taken out of those lemons that we just got the rind out of. 2 egg yolks that go straight in. Very simple so far. Give it just a quick mix with your hand mixer. You can use a whisk if you like. These little hand mixers cost you about $20 at your local supermarket. Nice pot of very hot water. We're going to put that bowl over the top. This is what we call double boiling, and it just stops everything from getting too hot too quick. We're going to beat that egg and caster sugar mixture together until it goes pale and a little bit thick. We're going to set that aside. Here I've got around about 185 ml of just thickened cream. Just beat that up until it goes nice and stiff. Real easy to do there. And we can put that aside in a second as well. Alright, so in that bowl I have got around about 125 grams of mascarpone cheese, and I've got about 60 grams worth of sour cream. So just put those two together like that. How easy is this? Very, very easy. I just put those all in a bowl. And what we're going to do now is we're going to whisk all of that up together. So just beat that, get it all mixed together nicely. Don't have to work this too hard. We don't want to overwork the mascarpone cheese. Alright, so just keep going around like I'm doing right there. How simple is this to do? Alright, so I've got my nice thick mixture of cream there. And that mascarpone and the sour cream goes into the mixture that we just made. Alright, so all we have to do now is just fold this through. Very, very simple, very easy. And just do it in little batches. Don't put the whole lot in one go. We just want to fold that through nice and lightly. And this will take you in total around about 20 minutes preparation and cooking time. Our eggs are already cooked, so we don't have to do anything there. All we really have to do now is get ready to serve. So serve that up into whatever sort of bowl you would like to present them in. I've got these little terracotta pots. They look awesome, they look great. All we have to do now, put them in the refrigerator for around about at least 2 hours, and it will set kind of. If you leave it overnight, it will set up a lot nicer and a lot firmer. As you can see, it's quite a runny mixture at the moment, being at room temperature. So make sure you put it in a good cold part of your fridge. And when we're getting ready to serve these, I'm actually using a biscuit crumb straight over the top. You could put some almond biscuits torn up in there if you want, whatever sort of crumb you would like. And there you go. KP's lemon mascarpone mousse. Real nice and simple, and a great refreshing dessert, especially in summertime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. If you want to learn how to make a dessert, which I do very rarely, but I do well when I do it, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, off to eat my lemon mascarpone mousse once it is chilled right down, and I will catch you next time. Bye!